In this video, I will show you 3 ways to make money on Bitvavo and then 1 way to save some money on Bitvavo. So first, quickly, I'll show you the way to save money. So that is actually by signing up through the link in the description. And the reason that that saves you money is because you will get up to 10,000 euros without any fees. So you can see it right here. If I go to invite friends, then right here you can see 10,000 euros in commission-free trades, and the commission on Bitvavo is 0.25%, which means that this will save you 25 euros. So that's a quick way to save some money if you haven't yet created your account. Now that is also a way to actually make money, so you can invite friends and you will get 15% of their trading fees at no additional cost to them. And when you do that, it will be added to your balance automatically. So for example, when I go to my transaction history, you can see once a day there is an affiliate commission, and sometimes it's up to even 15 euros. So that is a pretty good way to make some extra money on Bitvavo. But the real ways to do it with actual crypto is, the first one's pretty obvious, to buy crypto and wait for it to increase in price, but that isn't a guarantee and that can be pretty risky. Now the 2 other ways that I want to show you is, if you click in the top right on your profile and scroll down a bit, you will see rewards, and there are 2 sections. You have staking and lending. Now first, with lending, you're basically lending an asset to someone and you will get up to 5% on that yearly. And you can see the assets you can lend out here. So Bitcoin is only 0.5%. But for example, Dogecoin is 0.10%, but here you don't really make that much, and you can do it if you want, but in my opinion, staking is better, although it can also be riskier. And you can see the cryptocurrencies that you can stake on Bitvavo right here. Now it ranges from 15% per year down to 0.51% per year. But for example, Ethereum already offers 2.75% and Solana offers 5%. And these are very legit projects or cryptocurrencies, at least that's what I think. And those don't really have that much risk of going under, basically. So if you already own some Solana or Ethereum, or you were planning on investing in it anyway, then you can also just go and enable the staking. There is a risk involved with it, but with these larger cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, it's very small. But you should just consider it for yourself. It's not financial advice. But if you do want to enable it, then you can go to staking, click on the cryptocurrency, and then if you own some of that crypto, then what you can do is go to settings and then here click on enable whichever cryptocurrency it is, staking. Now I've already enabled it, so for me therefore it says disable, but you can see the reward rate is 5% yearly. And if you then go to that cryptocurrency, so in this case Solana, you can now see that staking is enabled, so Sol rewards currently 1 cent, and you can see when it gets paid out and how much you have made from it and the history. So that's basically 3 ways to make money on Bitvavo and then a way to save money. So again, if you haven't yet created your account for Bitvavo, then you can go and do it through the link in the description to save money on your trading fees. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.